I'm very pleased to welcome in Ethan Chartier from Sheridan, very talented young guitar player. He has a few recordings from 2007, Come With Me, So Far in 2008, and Better and Worse Than Reality in 2009. Also brought in another recording, but we're going to hear a bit of live music. Let's welcome in Ethan Chartier to Wyoming Public Radio.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
I saw you standing in the rain. The sight of you blew me away. Now you've left me here to wait. I may be kinda strange, but if you wanna rearrange, just say it's you who needs the change. 'Cause I eat too much, I drink too much, I smoke too much, and I think too much. I know that I am a weird dude, but you don't have to do me like you do. No matter what you say, this feeling just won't go away, so I'm asking you to stay. Whatever's on your mind, we can work it through with time. I'll help you be yours if you help me be mine. Now I've said all there is to say. I guess I'll be on my way, if that's really what you want. 'Cause I eat too much, I drink too much, I smoke too much, and I think too much. I know that I am a weird dude, but you don't have to do me like you do. No matter what you say, this feeling just won't go away, so I'm asking you to stay. Na na na, da da da, na na na, na na na, na na na. I saw you standing in the rain. The sight of you blew me away. Now you've left me here to wait.
You're listening to Morning Music Live. Ethan Chartier on Wyoming Public Radio.